Lamsobo khapangni takukte buhuk sono online kokborok technical channel ni bisingtwi faidi hingke sing tini nailainai ICAR eba Indian Council of Agriculture Research ni kaisa job recruitment no twiwi faidi hingke video start khaina sikang kaisa request khainanai tamung norok ani channel no subscribe khaya tongkha hingkai subscribe khainani tei bell icon no sinainani ketal video upload khaika hingkai norok bunisa sikang nuknani bagwi faidi hingke sing sini video chenglai sinai faidi hingke khapani takukte buhuk song sing tini kaisa job recruitment no tei salainai obo wngkha ICAR eba Indian Council of Agriculture Research obo wngkha lembuchorani faidi hingke sing nailainai bini notice faidi hingke sing tabuk bini notice nailaina monthly salary sing busuk mannai tei highest qualification busuk nangnai tei tamo experience nangnai oborokno tei sing salainai tei bini last date buphuro tei interview buphuro wngnai tamo process wngnai obono tei sing tabuk nailaina faidi hingke sing puila nailainai o notice ongkhomani wngkha 27 August 2020 o faidi hingke sing bini eligible nailaina o jaga swijak tongo eligible candidate are invited to appear for working interview o job requirement nangnai interview working interview ni bisingtwi aboni pore swijak tongo for the following post to the held in the office of the joint director ICAR research complex for NEH region Tripura Center Lembuchora West Tripura at 11 AM on 11th September 2020 hingkai bini working interview wngnai 11th September o phungni 11 eba phungni 11 ta somoyo interested persons may submit their biodata enclosing all self-attested testimonial on the before 7th September jara o job no tei application joma rwnai eba interview rwna muchungnai rok norok joma rwna norok nokni biodata joma rwna hingkha 7 tarik ni bisingo norok biodata joma marwnai o address ni bisingo o address o thangui joma marwnai norokni biodata o nangnai nokni self attested nokni documents o norok biodata joma rwkha hingkhe nokni working interview wngnai hinui abo o jaga swijak kwrwi tamoni hingkha nokni application naiwi akuwi verification ni pore nokno sahorjaknai mobile number eba email number ni bisingtwi faidi hingke sing bini koita post tong obono tei sing nailainai tei bini qualification tei monthly salary busuk mannai hingke o jaga tongo name of post young professional 1 name of the project hingkha research and capacity building program for promotion of groundnut in Tripura qualification nailaina cheng eligibility MSc in agronomy soil science hingke bini desirable nailainai at least 6 month work experience in field soil science laboratory in crop production natural resource management in general computer application PhD in agronomy soil science tei duration tongo o jagao appointment will be as per budget availability likely to continue till 31st March 2021 hingke age limit rijak tongo o jagao minimum 21 year and maximum 45 year with relaxation as per rules hingke o jagao monthly salary rijak tongo 15,000 abo jotono fix faidi hingke sing tini saimangkha o notice ni bisingtwi working interview wngnai 11th September 2020 tei form submission ni last date wngkha 7th September 2020 faidi hingke o video ni bisingtwi sing saimangkha tini ni notice kha khlaio jotono buji khwnanai asukno tini ni bagwi jotono hambai।